What if I told you you could access ChatGPT, Cloud, DeepSeek, Gemini, and more all in one platform without paying monthly? Yes, it's real, and it's called Ninjatools, a powerhouse of AI features that lets you chat, create videos, generate images, write scripts, make music, analyze PDFs, and so much more, all in one place. And the best part? There is a lifetime deal live right now on AppSumo. Pay once and use it forever. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Ninja Tools can do, how it can save you hours of work every week, and why it might just be the smartest AI investment you will ever make. So stick around, you don't want to miss this. We're currently inside the AI playground, and this feature is really powerful. Basically, it allows you to chat with multiple AI models at the same time. For example, you might already be using ChatGPT or DeepSeek separately, right? Usually, to use different AI models, you have to open them in separate tabs and manage them individually, right? Which can be a bit of a hassle. But with this feature in AI Playground, you don't have to do that. Here you can chat with multiple AI models side by side in one place. You can start with two models, but you are not limited to just that. You can increase it to three, four, or even up to six models at once. That means you can interact with six different AI models simultaneously and compare their responses or use them for different tasks all in a single window. I will show you exactly how to use this feature in just a moment, but trust me, it's a very useful time saving tool, especially if you like experimenting with different AI capabilities. Alright, now let me show you how you can use three AI models at the same time. First, you can easily change any of the AI models from here. The best part is that you will find almost all popular AI models available in one place, like GPT 4.1, GPT 4.1 mini, and many others. Every major model you might want to explore is right here at your fingerprints. You will also find models like Cloud 4 Sonnet and Cloud 3.7 Sonnet, so you can choose whichever one suits your needs, right? Just select the model you want to work with and you are good to go. In the same way, you can change the AI model in any other panel as well. Just pick the one you prefer and it will be updated instantly. This flexibility allows you to mix and match models and see how each responds differently, making it a really powerful feature for comparisons, research, or creativity, right? Now, once your AI models are set up, you simply need to type your question or prompt in this input box. For example, I will type, "What is digital marketing?" and hit send. Now, what happens is this question is sent to all the selected AI models simultaneously. Each model will process the same query and provide its own response. The best part is you can view all their answers side by side, right on the same screen, and easily compare which one gave the most helpful or accurate result. For example, you can see that GPT 4.1 responded, "Digital marketing is the use of digital channels, platforms, and technologies to promote products or services to potential customers. It includes activities such as SEO and so on." Now let's check what Cloud for Sonnet replied. It gave a very similar definition. The wording is slightly different, but the core meaning is the same. Let's look at DeepSeek R1 now. As you can see, it has given a slightly different explanation, maybe more concise or with a different perspective. This feature makes it really easy to compare responses and pick the answer that fits your needs best, right? You can also copy, modify, or combine parts of different answers as per your requirements. It's a super useful tool, especially for research, content creation, and learning, okay? Alright, now let's move on and click on the create section. Here you will see three different options. I will guide you step by step through each one. Let's start with the image option. Using this feature, you can generate AI-powered images that look almost completely realistic. Don't worry, I will show you exactly how it works and what the kind of results you can expect. To begin, you need to type your prompt in this box. Describe what kind of image you want, including the subject and background details, okay? For example, I will type, a dog is walking on a road. This is a very simple prompt, I know, but you can customize it however you like. The more detailed your prompt, the more realistic and specific your generated image will be, right? Next, choose the image ratio based on your needs, whether it's square, landscape, portrait, or Instagram format. I will keep it square for now. Then choose the format. I will select PNG. Now click on the generate button. You can see the image is now being created, and here it is. Wow, just look at the image quality. It's incredibly realistic. Focus on the background. Notice how it has a nice blur effect, which makes the subject stand out beautifully. Let me zoom in for you. Look at the details. So clean and smooth, right? The AI has done an amazing job generating this image. If you like the result, you can simply click on export to download it directly to your computer. And here it is. The image is downloaded and ready to use. Alright, now let's click on the music tab. Basically, using this feature, you can generate original AI music which you can use anywhere, whether it's for videos, background tracks, or personal projects, right? All you have to do is describe the type of music you want in the prompt box. Based on your input, the AI will generate a custom music track for you. There are also some preset creative prompts available right here, like personal, celebration, and more. I will select the personal option for now. As you can see, a ready-made prompt has appeared. Now I will simply click on generate music. It might take a few moments to process, okay? Okay, now it's done. Just listen to the result. It sounds really nice, right? Very clean and very professional. Now let's move on to the video tab. With this feature, you can create incredibly realistic AI generated videos. Some example videos made by others are already displayed here. And as you can see, they look stunning. To generate your own, just type your prompt into the box. For example, a man is walking in a city. So then just select your preferred AI model. You have two options, Clean AI and Light Rocks. Next, choose the video ratio and duration according to your needs. After that, just hit enter and the platform will start generating your video, okay? Once it's done, you can preview it. Just look at these examples. They are so realistic and impressive, right? You can also download the video directly by clicking the download icon. Let me show you one more sample. For example, this one. Oh wow, it looks amazing, doesn't it? Now let's check out the mind map option. This option allows you to turn your content or ideas into a visual mind map, making it easier to understand and organize information. You will see some example topics here like technology trends, climate change impact, and human brain function. So let's click on human brain function. Here a prompt has already been filled in. What makes the human brain so powerful and how does it adapt, remember, and feel? So now I will click on generate mind map. It may take a few seconds to process, and here it is. Look at how clean and well structured it is. You can move the map around, zoom in and out, and interact with it easily. If you turn off the auto layout feature, you will be able to manually adjust the positioning. You can also change the map's layout direction, for example, from top to bottom. Alright, now let's click on the PDF chat option. This is an extremely useful feature, especially when you are short on time. So let's say you have a long PDF document that you don't have the time to read completely. So in such a case, you can simply upload the PDF here and the AI will instantly generate a summary for you. Not only that, if you have any specific questions about the PDF, you can type them right here and the AI will extract the answers directly from the document. This feature can save you a lot of time and effort, especially for research, studies, or content analysis, right? So now let's move on to the writing library. And trust me, you will be amazed at how many powerful tools are available here. There is a dedicated tool for almost everything related to writing. So, for example, you will find tools like vocabulary enhancer, metaphor generator, sentence restructurer. Under the writing assistant section alone, you get 5 different tools. Under video content, there are 4 tools, including video topic generator, video hook writer, YouTube description writer, YouTube script writer, and that's not all. You will also find tools for tweet writing, LinkedIn post, Instagram captions, ad headlines, product descriptions, company bios. All these features are incredibly useful whether you are a creator, marketer, student, or business owner, right? Let me show you a quick example. So, suppose I want to generate video topics. So, what I will do is I will just click on the video topic generator, and in the prompt box, I will type, give me 10 video ideas about digital marketing. Now I will click generate. Here you go. It has given me 5 unique video ideas in just seconds. From here, I can copy them, download them, enhance the content, or even translate it all in one place, right? Now, if I want a full video script, I just click on YouTube script writer, enter my prompt, and the AI will instantly create a complete script for me. This is how you can use each tool as per your needs. And the best part, you get access to all major AI models right inside this platform, whether it's GPT, DeepSeek, Claude, Gemini, Grok. Almost every top AI model is available right here for chatting and content generation. This means you don't need to subscribe to each tool separately. You get everything from chat to content creation under one single platform. That's a huge money saver, right? So why spend on multiple subscriptions when Ninja Tools gives you everything in one place? What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And here is the best part. Right now, Ninja Tools is offering a lifetime deal on AppSumo, which makes this a perfect opportunity to grab this powerful tool at a one-time price. There are 3 license tiers available, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. License tier 1 is priced at a one-time payment of $79 only, and it gives you lifetime access to Ninja Tools. With this plan, you don't have to worry about monthly subscription fees. Just pay once and enjoy the benefits forever. Each month, you will be able to send up to 5,000 AI chat messages. In addition, you will get to create 100 AI generated images every month. If we talk about music, this plan also includes 50 AI generated music tracks per month. Plus, you will have the ability to analyze up to 50 PDFs per month. And when it comes to video content, you can generate 5 videos per month using Clean AI and 30 videos using the Lightrix model. Finally, this plan gives you access to all major AI models available within the Ninja Tools platform. Okay. So license tier 2 is $189 and one-time payment, okay? So with this tier, you get 20,000 AI chat messages per month. It also includes 400 AI generated images and 200 music tracks monthly. Additionally, you can analyze up to 200 PDFs and generate 10 videos using Clean AI and 100 videos using Lightrix each month. You also get full access to all features and AI models, making it a powerful upgrade from tier 1, okay? And the license tier 3 is $319. This is the most advanced plan, perfect for agencies, large teams or power users. It includes 100,000 AI chat messages, 1,500 AI generated images, and 500 music tracks per month. You can analyze 500 PDFs, create 15 clean AI videos, and 300 Lightrix videos each month. Like the other tiers, you will get complete access to all AI models and tools. No matter which plan you choose, you get full access to every major AI platform, including GPT, Cloud, DeepSeek, Gemini, Grok, and more, all in one place, okay? And yes, the most reassuring part, this still comes with a 60 days of money back guarantee. So let's say it doesn't meet your expectations. You can get a full refund, no questions asked. So if you wanna grab the lifetime deal, just check out the link below. It's a one-time payment, no monthly stress, and you get access to everything. super worth it if you are into AI tools. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and see you in the next one.